Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, dear. Let's start the today's topic. Last topic was left in industry chapter. Or today we'll discuss about the information technology. अब information technology is playing the important role in present time for a political, for a business purpose, and for ये socio economic. So today we'll discuss information technology. Information. How do we convey the information? How the means the multinationals company are running on the means the working on the common project or same project. So today we'll discuss about information technology. अब information technology, such offices in metro cities are working 24 hours, 24 into 7 hours. And suppose how it is possible, suppose there is the maybe night in America or day in India. So in people who are working as a common project in India means at the same time who are working in India, so at the same time they may be sleeping inside the America, or when they will be work, so they may be sleep. ये सो जाएंगे उस समय नाइट हो जाएगी. तो how do they work as they means they sit on a common topic, common issues, on common project. So this is possible only information technology. Whatever work they have done during the day, they may be leave their or they may be leave their work on the message, or if any updation by the American citizens who are working on same project, they may be check the work and they will give their updation to the Indians, or next day when Indian will check the message. So this is possible through the information technology. So today we'll discuss information technology. So as in information technology is playing the important role. There are a lot of ways where we maybe purchase any product. So it is possible through the information technology. Okay, stock is available or not. First we'll check if stock available. So information related to price, product, features will be mentioned on that app. Later on we'll check it will arrival approximately 5 to 10 days or what. We also check that. Is delivery is possible in our towns or not? We'll check. Later on when we book or give the order, or maybe the cash on delivery, or maybe the through online payment or debit card, credit card. So later on there will be a process start. First they will check the storage. Later on processing start means the like a such graph you can see inside. When after when you book the order, it is the prepared for the shipping or not. Later on in like a Gurgaon or nearby city, metro city or whatever, where their godowns or where they collect the product. Later on, after they will be maybe supplied. Suppose as a Rajasthan, so it is in capital Jaipur. When it will be later on delivered to the in Chittor, or later on a delivery boy will be delivered before. So this is the complete information. This all the such services are running with the help of only information technology. So today we will discuss information technology. And there are two world famous centers. Today we will compare both the centers. We will discuss. One is known as the Silicon Valley, located in California and near the Santa Clara Valley. And another one, Silicon Plateau, it known by the Bangalore. Silicon Plateau, known as the capital, is the Bangalore, known by the Silicon Plateau. So one is the Silicon Valley, located in California, Northern America. Another one place famous for information technology, that is the Bangalore, known by the Silicon Plateau. So we'll compare the both factor. We'll compare the both place ki what are facilities, what are sources are available in both areas. So Silicon Valley in California, where they are getting employees or maybe the resources or environment conditions we'll discuss. Silicon Plateau regarding the Bangalore we'll discuss. Okay. Or why is information technology important? We have discussed. If they are working on the common topic, they are working on the common project. If they are sharing their data, they are sharing their information. That's why information technology is required. So in this topic, we'll discuss about both what are location advantage. We'll compare the both place. The location advantage of the both Bangalore and California. We'll compare it given. Last page means the page number 62 on your NCERT book. What is the how do the information technology work? It is work on three: first storage, processing, and distribution. So first they will check data storage. Later on they start. First they collect the data. Okay, they collect the data storage. Later on processing. May they start the process. Maybe convey the message, share their data, information, whatever. Later on they will distribute to the particular. So like your Google also a information technology share. It is the tools which give the information to us. Google and also a Google. So this is the example of information technology. Or importance of information technology has increased day by day because it required inside the technological. They can maybe there is the they can share their technological support. Anyone such multinational companies, anyone industry located here, or with the help of any foreign nation like a Japan or Korea has installed any industries here. So how do they transfer their technical fault or technical issues? They maybe share their data regarding the if any technical fault will be found. So technological importance of information. Another one, political parties are sharing. They also collect the information regarding their viewers, regarding their voters, regarding their leaders who are the active members of particular political party. So political party are also using this information sector, IT sector also. There are many people who are working for a IT sector for particular political party. Sometimes they also collect the information related to any area. They also convey the such message which are maybe based on the secularism or like this. So this is possible through only information technology. They are using political party are using information technology to attract the voters. Sometimes such issues may be the religion to related issues. So they may be discussed or they may be share the such message which not for good society, for a good society, but like they want to gain a attraction of particular religions. So political party in positive and negative manners, political parties also have collect the information through the information sector, IT sector regarding the voters, regarding their leaders, regarding culture, diversity, all the information collected by the political party. Socio-economic events held in any area, industry to related, any organization to related meetings, economical meetings held, maybe economical zone meeting, maybe in any area. So it also recorded by the information technology. So that's why information technology is important. And regarding information technology, we will compare the two places. One is the California, another one is the Bangalore. So dear student, see on page number 62, it given what are we will compare the location advantage in Silicon Plateau, that is the Bangalore. Another one is the location advantage of Silicon Valley, that is California. So in Bangalore, first point, Bangalore has the largest number of educational institutions and IT colleges in India. So near Bangalore, there is surrounding lot of information and lot of college, educational institution, IT colleges are located. So it means what? IT colleges located, education centers are located. So from when they need any employer, any worker as any person for a work, So such person may be available. Means such persons are available for a IT sector from that area. So it is the hub for the IT sector, Bangalore. Second, the city was considered dust free. It means the good environment, moderate environment in Bangalore, low rents and low cost of living houses facility available in Bangalore. It is dust free means the good environment, so it is suitable for the IT sector. The state government of Karnataka was the first announced a IT policy in 1992. So, through this we can say that state government also creating the interest in IT sectors. Which towards the IT sector, state government also putting his efforts for to set up the IT sector. So first 1992, Karnataka was the first state who disclosed or maybe they created their IT policy in 1992. The city has the largest and village availability of the skilled managers and work experience person. Those person who have experience and managers. So easily, workers are available in that area. So this means there are four factors which affect the Silicon Plateau of Bangalore. What are the facilities or advantages available in California? We will discuss close to the some of the most advanced scientific and technological center in the world. So near the California, most of scientific and technological centers are located, meaning are same. So that's why they maybe start their experiment, their research, or they maybe appoint a person from that areas for a job. Second one, pleasant climate means the good climatic condition and attractive and clean environment. Plenty of space development and future expansion means there is a lot of space where they can develop. There is IT sector in futures, infrastructures, offices, colleges, like they may be developed. So there is a lot of space available inside the California. Localized close to the major roads and airport. It is close to the roads and airports. Through this, there may be it is easy. Most of such IT sector are located where the good transport facilities are developed. So it is easy for the public where for those people who are working in IT sectors or maybe the suppose anyone goods where they may be. So it is easy where the airport facilities and road facilities are well developed. So it will be time consuming. Last one, good access to the market and skilled work. So there is the market also available in that surrounding and still those who are expert in particular work, such people also located in that area. So both have the good advantage facilities in both areas, Miss California and in Bangalore. So dear student, now we have completed this chapter with the IT sector. Or IT sector is playing the important role in communication also because communication is possible through the IT sector. Today we are using the mobile, today we are using the television 4K, like this is possible through the IT only, information technology. So both are interlinked sector, communication and IT sector. So now dear, we have completed topic. Now I will post the NCERT solution on your WhatsApp group. If you have any doubt, you may be asked.